Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuild Zenai here, come back with a new video. Today we're going to be painting this car. Of all the parts in the garage, already wet primed. So hopefully we're going to get a good result. Obviously we're not in a spray booth, we're just in a normal garage full of dust. But I've it all power hosed out and brushed out and stuff, so let's hope it'll be alright. Now, thanks for 100 subscribers. No, I haven't uploaded in a while, but basically been waiting on paint. So yeah, thanks for 100 subscribers. We're going to do a giveaway, so we're going to do a separate video on that and talk about the giveaway and stuff. Anyway guys, if you're going to keep liking these videos, you know, show your support and like the videos and drop a comment down below, because I don't know what we're going to do yet next. Have we Peugeot to do next maybe, or we'll do the Escort van or the Cavalier, so I don't know. Anyway guys, we're going to crack on with this video and get this car painted.
Like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in the darkest days? What do spirits say?
So there you have it guys, that's all the parts painted. Now I know I didn't talk much in this video because there's not really much to talk about other than I'm painting the bumpers, wing and tailgate. Now some people might wonder, what lacquer did I use? I used U-Pol lacquer, and I'm going to be honest with you, don't get it, it's shit. Now to be honest, it's actually not that bad. There's a wee bits of dirt on it and stuff, but for a garage I guess here, engines lying about and dust everywhere that I've tried to get most of it out, it's actually a pretty damn good job. That just shows you don't need your £5 boost to paint cars. Obviously if you're looking at perfection or whatever, you know, you're going to need it, but other than that there, you can paint in your garage at home and still get a good result. Like even that way you repair now looks pretty good. And the back bumper actually turned out near the best. There's actually not that much dirt on it. I've had more dirt before, so it actually looks pretty good. Now what way did I paint these? Now I used like a sealer. It was like a wet primer. I put that down and it was black, so that's why I didn't put as much base coat on. But the problem with that was you couldn't follow where your base coat was going because the primer was black and the paint was black, so it was like, it's pretty hard to follow. So if I was going to do it again, I'd probably use grey primer, not black. Like even not much lighter, but lighter than that colour, because this was the exact same colour, wet primer, and it was hard to follow. So it was. Now the lacquer I mixed 2 to 1, you know, your normal lacquer, that's what you mix it at. The wet primer was 4 to 1, and that base coat there took, I think it was at least 600ml of paint. Now that's obviously not mixing it, it would have been 1200ml probably of paint. That's a litre and 200ml, you know, so it actually took more paint than I expected anyway. I thought maybe I'd get done half a litre, but we got a litre just in case, and it's a good job we got a litre because we probably all need it. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, again, sorry for the uploads, you know, make sure you keep liking, commenting, subscribing. We've actually finally hit 100 subscribers, so that giveaway, as I said, start of the video, will be in a different video, and we'll talk about that. We're basically giving away a spray gun. It's, don't get me wrong, it's nothing special because, let's be honest, I'm not a rich guy, so I'm going to just give you something small back. And, you know, in the next video, we're going to be building this car up, hopefully, which I'll make straight away tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to buff it. I might let my brother buff it. It's his car. It's not actually mine. So if he buffs that up, that'll save me some time. Because I'm going to be honest, I hate fucking buffing. It's shite. I absolutely hate it. And especially black. But anyway, guys, this has been Rebuilds NI. Out.